Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to solve a Rubik cube easily. Uh, there has few steps. First step is making a white cross. Second step is solving the corner pieces. And third step is solving the second layer. And fourth step is making a yellow cross. Fifth step is aligning edge pieces, and final step is solving top layer. So let's begin. Firstly, we want to make a white cross, and for that we want 4 edge pieces with white color. There has a one, we slipped it. In that case, we are making white cross. We should align the center colors with edge piece color. There has another one, and we can turn it like this. We want another edge piece with white color. There has a piece, and we can turn it to the top. First step is we have achieved, and go to the second step. Second step is solving the corner pieces. For that we want to find corner pieces which include white color. There has 1, 2, 3 and 4. We should take this piece to that place. And there has another one. Okay, first layer we have solved. Then we want to solve second layer. For that we want 2 algorithms. I give you those algorithms. First one is you want to put a edge piece to left side, and other algorithm you want to put a edge piece to right side. One for left side, other one for right side. This piece come to that place. For that, to this algorithm, this piece should be here. And this piece should be here. Do the right side algorithm. Here, do the right side algorithm. Already we have solved the bottom layer and the second layer. there, and we want to solve yellow cross. For that, okay, if you have only one yellow piece, you should do this algorithm. After that, you have three pieces, and put one piece in front of you and others for right hand, and do that algorithm again. After that, you have a line, and put the cube like that way, and keep do it again. Okay, we have solved yellow cross. After that, you want to align the edge piece color to centerpiece color. For that, you find a piece to align centerpiece. We have find two pieces, and put one align side to left and others back side of the cube. One left hand, other side is put back side of the cube, and do that algorithm. After doing this algorithm, we have solved the edge pieces aligned with the centerpiece color. Then we want to solve the corner pieces, and find the piece with right place. There's no piece like that, so do this algorithm. We have right piece and put that piece on the right hand and in front of you right hand corner, and do that algorithm again. After that, two pieces are solved. We want to solve only these two pieces. Put yellow side to bottom of the cube and do this algorithm. Left color piece should be bottom right corner, like this. And turn this piece to bottom right corner, like this, and do that algorithm again. Okay, after that we have solved 3x3 Rubik cube. If you like this video, like us, subscribe our channel and share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.